So simply, what are the factors of 6? The numbers that will divide into 6. So you always start with, does 1 divide into 6? 2 divides in. 3. 4 divide in evenly?
No. 6.
No. So then you go on to, does 5 divide in evenly? No. Okay. Let's say we'll take the number 12. What are the factors of 12? So 1, 2, 3 will divide in, 4. 12 itself. Alright, so once you've got the factors listed, then you can decide, well, what's the highest, what's the factors that it has in common, first of all? 2 and 2.
6.
3 and 3. And then 6 and 6. Okay, so which pair is the highest common? Alright, so the HCF, highest common factor, is equal to 6. Alright. Okay, so if I put another number there, 8. Factors of 8. 1, 2, 4 and 3 won't divide into 8. Alright, so the common factors between all 3 is 2. Is 4 a common factor of all 3 of them? No. Alright. So what's the HCF of 6, 12 and 8?
2. 6. 2.
Common. Common to all? That's the highest common factor. So HCF is equal to 2. So that's how you get the highest common factor if you're given 3 numbers. You write out the factors and then you see what's the common. What's the highest common factor? Is that right? Factors. Okay, another example. Slightly different. X multiplied by x is equal to 2x. Okay, so what are the factors of 2x? Looking backwards, it's x times, so x is a factor, isn't it? Yeah. A factor is something that you can multiply to get. So for example, 6 is equal to 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Can you name 2 factors of 6? Look back. 3 and 2 are factors. Okay, they divide into 6, don't they? X times x is equal to, x squared. X times x is x squared. So the 1 and the 1 is x squared. Alright, so the factors of x squared are x and x. What's the factors of 2x? 2 times x is equal to 2x. So what are the factors of 2x? X and 2 are factors. Okay. So let's look at an example. Write down the highest common factor of 9 and 12. So we write out the factors. 1, 3, 9. The factors of 12?
1, 2, 3, 4, 6,
12. Alright, what's common to both? 3 is common to both? Is that it?
Yeah.
1 is common to both? Well, what's the highest pair? 3 is the highest common factor. See the way you have to write them out?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll do another example like that. So let's say we have 21 and 35. Alright, so, okay, 1, 3, 7 and 21 itself. Of 35? 1, 5, 7 and 35.
And 5.
Yeah, step. Okay, well, what's the common factors now?
7
1 and 7. What's the highest common factor? Is that easy?
Yeah.
It's easy if you do it like this. Alright. So question 2, an example from question. What's the highest common factor of 4x and 12x? So we'll write them like this. Alright. So watch this. What will divide into 4x? Will x divide in?
X.
4x and 2x. Well, we'll do it like this. Watch this. 4x and 12x. We'll do it like this. Right, so we put a bracket here. So we're looking for the highest common factor. The highest common factor will be the number here. First of all, what divides into both of them? X. What's the highest number that will divide into 4 and 12? 4. 4x times 1 is 4x.
What? 4 times 3 is 12.
4x times
3.
3 is 12.
Where did you get the 1?
Alright, I'll explain. Alright. So, right. First of all, x divides into both, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And then the highest number that divides into 4 and 12 is 4. Okay. 4 to get this answer above here, 4x times 1 is 4x, isn't it? 4x times 3 is 12x, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so just follow the steps and work.
Oh.
So if I multiply these brackets out, I get this up here. Alright. This is just a different way of writing this, isn't it? But this is one method. This is the method that I use to find the highest common factor of 4x and the highest thing that will divide into both of these.
Yeah.
The HCF is equal to 4x. This number here.
Yeah.
Right, we'll do another one. 3n and what's the highest common factor of these? This is question 2 part. Well, first of all, n divides into both. And then 3 divides into both numbers. 3n. 3n times 1 is 3n. 3n times 3 is 9n. So anyway, the answer is there. HCF is equal to 3n. Right, we'll take another example. This is question 2 part 5. Three xy. What's the highest common factor? In the book it says 3xy and 12x squared, but and is plus, isn't it? Keep looking up. Alright. So look at the letters first of all. Forget about the 3 and the 12. What can I take from both sides?
X.
I can take an x. So what does x squared actually mean? It means
Double.
x times x, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So what can I take from both sides? I can take an
2
x.
X's.
I can take an x from both sides. Okay. What can I divide? What can I divide into 3 and 12?
4. 3. 3.
Just one second. Alright, so what's left? 3x times
1.
3x times y is 3xy. 3x times
4x.
4x is 4x squared.
Oh.
What's the highest common factor?
3x.
HCF is equal to 3x.